Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a solenoid assembly on your fridge. The reason why you would have to replace a solenoid assembly is because your ice dispenser is not switching from crushed to regular ice. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to open up the freezer door. So we're going to take out this plastic panel, and we're going to take out our ice holder. Now, to get the ice maker out, we're going to take out the 2 screws that are holding it in. So I'm going to use my 1/4-inch nut driver to remove both screws. Now we don't have to unscrew it all the way. Unscrew it part way, and then just release, or just lift up on the ice maker, and we can pull it out a little bit. And now we have to undo the wire harness. And we can remove the ice maker. Take our 1/4-inch nut driver again. We're going to get the 2 screws that are in the bottom here holding this in. Now that we've got those 2 screws out, get that out of the spot, and we're going to have to unplug this one too. So, once we get it pulled out a little bit, we're going to unplug this right from the back wall here. I'll use my hands, just like that, and pull this right out. So now that we've got this out, we're going to have to take this back cover off. There are 4 screws right there. Now we can flip it over and get the other 2. Alright. Now we can set that back panel aside. Alright, so this is our solenoid assembly right back here, this whole piece. I want to take the grounding wire off first. Okay, now I want to flip it around to the other side. And there are 2 screws right in the bottom here that are holding it in. Flip it back around, and we can just pull this right out. Just want to keep in mind which wires are going where, so we can unplug this right here. And now we can take our old solenoid assembly and put that to the side. Now grab your new OEM replacement solenoid assembly. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Okay, now we're going to connect the wires first. There we go. And we're going to put this back into its spot here. What you want to do is make sure that these 2 notches go into the grooves that are in the plastic up here. And we will line up those screw holes just like that. Now we can turn it back around, and I'll show you, just like this. Get those 2 holes lined up as best we can. Okay, now we can turn it back around, and we'll reattach our grounding wire. There we go. Now we can reattach that plastic piece on the back. Alright, now we'll flip it back to the other side. we go. Now that we have that back together, we can put it back in our fridge. Set that back there. Okay, and just plug that back in, just like that. Alright, now we can grab our 1/4" nut driver. And then we'll screw these bottom screws back in. We'll plug that back in. And the wire harness is plugged in. And now we can turn it and adjust it so that we can slide these 2 tabs right on top of the screws again. Once we've done that, we can tighten them up. Now we can replace our ice shelf. And we can replace this plastic shelf as well. And now your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.